And the vampire card drains the color from the 8. Who wants a pumpkin spice latte? Transforms into a creepy haunted house. The secret to the magic vanishing candle trick. Sword goes right through her neck. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to a special Halloween edition of How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 7 magic pranks for Halloween. It's showtime. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. Check this out. I have a normal drawing of a house here. Watch as it transforms into a creepy haunted house. Learn how to make your own magic haunted house coming up next. So you're gonna need some art skills and some magic skills for this one. You're going to illustrate a house on a piece of paper towel. You need like 2 sheets of it like this because you're gonna fold it over and you're gonna draw your house on the front side with some walls and a roof and a door and some windows. So now you've got the house illustrated on the front side. Take your marker and go through and just put some dots right along the edges of the house, just like this. And what this is going to do is bleed through the paper onto the piece behind it. So this is going to give you an outline of exactly where the house is, where the windows are, where the door is, and that way you're going to know exactly where to draw all the stuff that you want to appear in your haunted house. So if you want to create an effect like I did where the house is just like dripping like a creepy ooze, you're just going to illustrate that on this back piece in whatever color you want. And since we've done these dots here, we can see exactly where that roof line is. So when we drop this into the water, that water absorbs and it makes each one of the layers of the paper towel more transparent. So that front layer reveals the one behind it, and it creates this really magical effect of the house just transforming into this creepy house of horrors. This is a great trick to do for kids on Halloween, and once you show it to them, they can set up their own. It is Halloween time, and I have a really cool thing to show you right underneath this black curtain. Look, check it out.
I don't want to.
Just watch.
Hold on.
I worked really hard on this, okay?
Isn't
No, just watch. Just look.
Because I'll hit the pavement.
No, just look. You ready? 1,
Yes.
2.
What?
Isn't that awesome?
That is amazing! How did you do that? Impressive! Wow!
Isn't that cool?
I am shocked. Did you actually do that?
Yeah, I did. It's creepy, right?
Super, yeah, it's very creepy. But that's a brilliant, I want to do that.
Here's how you set up the magic eyeball pumpkin. You're going to need a big orange pumpkin just like this and a smaller white pumpkin just like this one. This is going to be your round eyeball on the inside. Start out by tracing the shape of the eyeball that you're going to cut out from your orange pumpkin. Once you have the image traced onto the front, you're going to cut the top out of the pumpkin. Once you have the top removed, you're going to remove all the pumpkin guts. Who wants a pumpkin spice latte? Once you've got your pumpkin all hollowed out, you're ready to cut out your eyeball. Now you're going to take your white pumpkin and insert it inside the orange one. So make sure you cut your hole on top of the pumpkin big enough that the white one can fit down inside it. Now you're going to take your white pumpkin and position it inside the eye. Now we're going to take newspaper and stuff it in the back of the pumpkin to make sure the eyeball stays right up here against the front. It's time to illustrate your eyeball on the white pumpkin. You're going to need some colors to decorate it depending on what color eye you want to do. So we're going to do a blue eye. You can see I've done the outline of the eye here. I'm just going to fill this in with a base layer of blue, and then we're going to do the pupil and the rest of it once our base layer of blue dries. Now put the finishing touches on your drawing and you are good to go. Your creepy Halloween jack-o'-lantern eyeball pumpkin is ready for the world to see. So once you have it fully decorated, you can set the jack-o'-lantern on your porch amongst your other pumpkins, and then enjoy the reactions from people as they come up onto your porch to trick or treat.
What?
Isn't that awesome? And have a happy Halloween. Classic magic illusion here. This is the sword through the neck trick. So check this out. We have this metal bracket right here is going to go right around Veronica's neck. She's going to assist us with this trick. I'll get your hair.
Okay.
I'm going to latch this in place. Just like that. Got it? Now I have my sword in the sheath just like this. It's a real metal sword. Watch. And the sword goes right through her neck. Now look. You remove it. Totally fine.
Totally fine.
Did you feel it?
Yeah, but I don't even know how it works.
If you want to learn how it's done, stay tuned next week for our final Halloween episode of the season. I'm going to teach you and you how the sword through the neck trick works. Roomba Halloween decoration. Check this out. Take the Halloween decoration and set it on top of the Roomba. Tape it in place. Once you have it taped in place, hide it. Noticed your truck is looking real creepy out there.
Creepy?
Yeah.
Creepy? What do you mean?
Looks creepy.
What did you do? Are you serious?
I didn't do anything. It just looks creepy.
It better not look creepy. No, 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 no. Oh, that's cute. Okay, that's not as bad as I was thinking. Oh, I thought it was so much worse. This is cute. This is creepy. I like it.
It's Halloween.
I like it. Great idea.
It's a monster truck.
Wow. Yeah, I guess it is.
Here's a creepy Halloween DIY that you can set up at home. All you need is a piece of white poster board, some scissors. Take a marker and you're going to trace the outline of a big triangle. Now you're going to use this piece as your stencil to cut out more of these triangles. Now once you have all your triangles cut, you're going to lay them out like this. The next thing you're going to need in this process is some water and some fake stage blood. So take a drop of the fake stage blood and put it down inside your water just like this, and then mix it up. Now you've got your red liquid mixed up. It's time to decorate our triangle. Take a paintbrush like this. So you add these drops of red liquid and they really start to look like creepy, bloody teeth. Now that you have these covered in your fake stage blood liquid, you're gonna let them dry. Now you're gonna take your fake car teeth and some removable double-sided tape and begin sticking them in place on the car. Piece of tape right across the back right here, and you wanna make sure you use removable double-sided tape. So continue putting teeth on both the top and the bottom row, and you really create this cool effect of the grill of the car looking like the mouth of a monster. And now we're gonna transform their regular truck into a monster truck. here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Here is the secret to the magic vampire card trick. This is one of my favorite card tricks ever because it's super easy to do and it's absolutely amazing. So it's perfect for Halloween. It comes with everything you need, especially gimmicked cards here. You can see they're blank on their back side. It comes with full printed instructions to teach you how to do the trick, available now at EvanEraTV.com. It's our online magic shop and we ship all over the world. So you're gonna start the trick with these two cards lined up just like this. This is your vampire. Your other three cards are going to go on top. They're gonna do what's known as an Elmsley count. It's this move right here. Hold all the cards together as one just like this. You can show the back of this card as you count this one off. Show there, and show there. Now it looks like you just showed the back of all of these blank cards. You were actually showing this back card the entire time. So practice your Elmsley count until it looks natural. Now, very simple, you're just going to put the card back in the packet like this, and as you line them up and do your count again, the cards just perfectly line up to where this one looks totally blank, but this is actually two cards held as one. Full instructions are available at EvanEraTV.com. Get this trick now in time for Halloween. Or stay tuned for the end of this episode if you want to win the magic vampire card trick. I'm giving it away to one lucky comment. Look what I found. You remember this?
That is terrifying! Oh my, why?
We have these available now at EvanEraTV.com. It's our new Halloween trick.
Please use caution.
Doesn't that look real?
Yes, it's horrifying.
Whoa. That is it for this episode. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up button and share the video with someone you think might like it too. All the likes and shares are super important for the YouTube algorithm, help more people see the video, and help the channel get more subscribers. Which leads me to my next point. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. If you want to win any of the magic props that you saw in this video, leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm giving away the magic vampire card trick, the magic severed hand, to lucky comments in the comment section. So if you want to win, leave a comment and hit the thumbs up on the video. Also, all of these tricks are available now at EvanEraTV.com. That is our online magic shop. Please show it some love. Link is in the description for that at EvanEraTV.com. This is our small family business. We ship magic tricks and pranks all around the world, so you can get a big box of magic delivered to your doorstep at EvanEraTV.com. Be sure to check that out and place your order today. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Instructions on how to claim your prize are in the description of this video. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section to participate in this week's giveaway. Check out our full playlist of Halloween magic videos, and be sure to tune in next week for our final Halloween episode of the season and learn the secret to the sword through the neck. Goes right through her neck. Until next time, I am your host, EvanEra. Remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. Happy Halloween.